Here is how we can get a new emojis on your Android phone. So what we have to focus on is the update of the whole software. So if you are using, for example, the Samsung keyboard like I do, the new emojis can only be added through a general software update. So we open up the settings, and at the bottom we can find software update. There is one available, but as you can see, it's mostly the security update. So it might be that the changes or new emojis might be added through this, but most importantly, like the general software updates can bring that to you. But you might also be using like a different application for your keyboard. A common example is the Gboard by Google or SwiftKey by Microsoft. And in order to get the latest features like emojis, go to the Play Store and look up that particular app. So the point is that you want to have the latest version of it, and if there is an update available, or if you don't have it just yet, make sure you install the latest version. And if they are like new emojis, then you can definitely access them through the update. So that's how you can do this. That's how you can make sure that whenever you go to your keyboard and switch to emojis, you'll be presented with the latest ones available. But that's going to be it from me. Definitely subscribe for more Foxtecc explanations and tutorials like this, and I'll see you later.